Good morning. I'd like to introduce you to Liz. Liz is 15, and every day she comes home from school to an empty house, and she has junk food. Hot Pocket, a cup of noodle, some frozen snack. Then she goes to the neighborhood park to hang out with her friends. It's not that safe, but Liz does this anyway, because her mom's not there to tell her not to. Liz's mom works 2 jobs, and is raising a teen on her own in Los Angeles. She has a $300 food budget for the month, and she regularly has to ask herself, are we going to eat healthy, or are we going to eat it all? She doesn't have a car, so she can't take the 30-minute ride to Trader Joe's, and Whole Foods is too expensive, so it is just out of the question. But this is where Reinventing Integrative Cooking Opportunities, or RICO, steps in. RICO is designed, operated, and led by a group of undergraduate CSUN students. We teach local teens in Sun Valley, Pacoima, and Compton how to cook and eat healthy meals on a budget. We work with Class Parks and Gang Reduction Youth Development Foundation to teach our classes in local rec centers. We create a safe space to cook and learn in an unsafe environment. These are not fancy kitchens, but we make it work. Our classes focus on teaching the teens how to cook a healthy version of what they normally would eat. We teach nutrition lessons, how to read a food label, safe cooking practices, cooking skills, kitchen hygiene, and life skills. We even discuss our lives as college students with the teens and provide mentorship. Each RICO session is 6 weeks long. We hold a weekly 2-hour lesson, and we do this 3 times each year. We know that RICO works. Our pilot data over the last 3 years shows that students are learning, their attitudes toward healthy food are improving. We even see changes in their behavior. Some students have talked about pursuing food careers. Others have even started a cooking Instagram sharing their lessons. So, we're currently asking for $200,000 over 3 years. This funding will support long-term infrastructure such as ovens, refrigerators, knives, pots and pans, the things that we need to teach a cooking class. This will also support materials needed to improve the quality of our classes, such as individual cookbooks and teaching supplies. And it will definitely support our research. We think what we're doing works, and our pilot data looks like we're making a difference. We're partnering with education and public health faculty to evaluate the impact of RICO. We are not asking for money for staff or food. RICO is a student volunteer organization. We currently have our food supplied through a CSUN-based grant, and we are working to currently establish relationships with local grocery stores to sustain our program. We average 40 teens per session. They go home and they cook for their families. They share lessons with their friends. So we estimate that we impact the lives of around 500 people annually. Remember Liz? There are lots of teens like her all over LA. So I'd like to introduce you to some, like her, that RICO has already impacted.
If I ever want to make food, I know what I'm going to make, like enchiladas that I'm making today. Why this cooking class matters to me is because we get to learn new things that schools don't really provide, like how to hold a knife properly and how to make food healthier. The reason it means a lot to me because if anybody doesn't know how to cook, I could teach them. Like someone teach me and I could teach them, and that person could teach someone else.
We know these teens, we were them, and now we're empowering them. So please join us to get RICO cooking.